was I'm studying a level 3 diploma in childcare and education.
I'm going to Castelfranco in Italy, and there's 2 age groups that we work in, which is nursery and juniors, and we're doing a week of each.
2 of us will be in one school and then the other 2 will be in the nursery.
I think it's a great opportunity, an opportunity to come down really, it's really good.
Then we do foundation phase over here, which is based on the Montessori schools over in Italy. So to be able to see it firsthand would be amazing.
In my placement now in Cardiff, we do have 1 or 2 parents that come in and they can't speak English. So it's going to be weird to be on the other end of that and having them to translate everything to me.
But it'll be interesting to see how I can overcome the language barrier.
But I have been doing an online course.
Like I've been trying to learn as much as I can. I've downloaded apps and stuff on my phone.
It'll look really good on my CV, and I've had experience with older children and younger children, so it'd be nice to see the difference out there.